Hi everyone, I have a package here from Onedaysavings.com. They did send me these items for free to use and review with you guys. So I do have a coupon code. It is Vagabond05 off, and that'll save you 5% off of your order. So let's jump on in. I found these super cute Christmas stamps. I think everybody needs this in their stash. It's so adorable. I love that it has like the little ticket right here. The typewriter actually says Dear Santa. I was like, oh my gosh, special delivery from the North Pole. Like, just so cute. And it was only $2.70. I think that's such an amazing deal. Now, this does ship from overseas, so it does take a little bit, not very much, you know, I think like a couple weeks, so pretty standard. And then I got this case right here. If you don't have one of these, you need at least one in your life. They are amazing. I have many of these, probably a dozen or more. But they fill up. So I use these to organize my drill bits right here. So this one was $8.87, I believe. And I love that it has a double closure right here in the front. And then it has these individual containers that you just pop out. So then you could just, you know, pour one at a time, so it doesn't get messy at all. This is, I think the 56 little compartment one. So love that. And then I did get an embossing folder. So I've been working with them for a very long time, basically since I started my channel. And they started with just diamond paintings, and then went diamond paintings and cross stitch, which I've never bought or received any of the cross stitch items because that's not something I would really use. And then now they've gotten into paper crafting, so they have stamps, they have embossing folders, they have wax seals. I've gotten wax seals from them before and shared with you guys, where they have like the frame wax seals. And theirs are the best prices that I've seen for the frame wax seals. They're very affordable. What else do they have? They have like nail art stuff. And they have... that's all I can remember offhand. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below to all of these products. I'll leave a link to their website for you guys to go check them out. Super cool stuff. So I got this little embossing folder. I thought this would be really cool. And this was $2.43, which I think is pretty awesome. Make some little backgrounds with that. Now, anytime they get new sealers for the diamond dots, I always want to try it. So this was $5.67. And I like that it came in its own little bag. So just in case anything during shipping spilled, it didn't damage the rest of my items here. So I have not tried this one before. This one right here is my favorite one that they have. I've tried some other companies that I did not like, that as soon as I got it, I tried it. I showed you guys that I didn't like it and I tossed them. So if you see this design right here, this is the one that I use and that I like. But I'm going to be trying this one out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of these diamond paintings together. I'll come back in another video. I'll show you what those look like once they're completed. And then I'll let you know if I like this one or not. So I'll try to remember to do like one-on-one so we could just look and compare the two. But yeah, I definitely want to give this one a go and see, you know, how does it work. And it's the exact same thing. There is still... yeah, there's still 4 ounces in each one of these, but this one is slightly more. So this says it has 120 ml, while this one says it's only 100. So a little bit more in this one, but yeah. So we'll do a review on those. And then I did get some little diamond paintings here. I want to start, again, it's been a while. Did I say how much that was? $5.67. Yeah. So it's been a while since I've done some diamond painting. So I wanted to get back into that. I've done these little keychain ones in the past and then made chunky charms and then like gave them away. And everybody always loves when I've sent them one. So I'm like, you know what? Let me get back into that because I love playing with beads. And the people that receive it love it so much. So this pack was $7.39. So this is your tray that you need to get started. This is your pin. You're going to dip the pin into the wax, and that's how you're going to pick up your rhinestones, and then you put your rhinestones in this tray. So this one is a 4th of July theme, which I think is going to be so stinking cute. So let me take that out. So they are a nice thick acrylic. That's what it looks like in the front. That's what it looks like in the back. You're going to be putting rhinestones on both sides. So this is butterflies, florals, and then it's to make like the flag. So I cannot wait to see how these turn out. I think that's going to be so much fun. So that's what those look like. And then it does come with the clasp and a ball chain, so you could go ahead and dangle it. And then I always try to look to see which ones have rhinestones. So there's like standard drill bits that are like this, where it's just like, you know, solid piece of plastic, but I love the rhinestone. So I always look for the rhinestone ones. So I was so happy that I was able to get those. And then this one, oh, I think this one is just my butterfly pack. This was $7.50. And this one is the same thing. It's butterflies and rhinestones. So again, here's your ball chain and your little clasp. Here's your kit that you need to get started. Here are the beautiful rhinestones right there. Those are going to be gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look. I'm loving all the colors. There was a lot of blue and a lot of purple. So I love that. Oops, rip that off. Oh no, I think maybe one might have broke. We'll have to see. Let's see. So again, these are a thick plastic as well. So here we have this butterfly. I love it. There's this one. Oh, I think it might have been this piece. Would that look like it would go there? Yeah, that's missing a little piece right there. So I've received broken products in the past from them, and if you just let them know, they'll send you a replacement. So that's no big deal. Honestly, for this one, I'm not even gonna worry about it. I don't think anybody would notice, you know, if I didn't tell them. So I'm gonna leave that one as it is. Then here's the other one. These are double-sided as well. Look at that one. I love like how spiky they are. It makes me think of like fire, you know, like flames. So really, really pretty. Like I said, I'm loving all the blue and purple in these. Those are going to be absolutely beautiful. And then my last product was $6.86. And if I remember, this one was like a Halloween theme. Oh, look, this one came with some in little baggies. I always save the little baggies after and reuse them. So instead of coming like this in a strip and then you have to put it into another container, that's why I get this box for. Is so I'll open these and then I'll dump them into here so I have it all organized. And then I take a Sharpie and I'll write, you know, like this is U, this is A. So I'll write the letter so that way I know which one is which. And then, you know, I go from there. But this one came with little baggies, so that's really nice. Like I said, I definitely save those to reuse. And then this one came with the keychains, the ball chains, and then the little kit to get started. Oh, look, they sent extra baggies right there. I definitely take those out and save those as well. And let's see. So like I said, I think this one was Halloween themed. So like there's one of the little ball chains right there. Oh yeah, see, so it was like a crazy little cupcake right here. Front and back. We got a crazy little pumpkin with the nice little thick acrylic. Got a skull, a ghosty, an eyeball, and a evil little candle there. So super cute. You guys know me. I love Halloween. It's my favorite time of year. I am so ready to get into Halloween crafting. I know a lot of people are talking about Christmas in July coming up, but like I'm already looking to like October, like let's go Halloween. So I'll see if I do any Christmas in July. We'll see. But that's my little haul for today. Stay tuned. I will be coming back and showing you guys how these all look once they're completed, because I'm sure they're going to be absolutely gorgeous. And then we'll do the little review for this sealer and let's see if it works nice or not. So that's it for today. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to their website. I'll leave a link to these products, and I'll also link that coupon code for you guys. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.